have white hair? Do you want to learn how to touch it up at home naturally? With our current times, it is getting harder to maintain color-treated hair, isn't it? But did you know that there is a natural alternative to dye your hair? This hair toner made with coffee and green tea is great for that. This is one of the most natural alternatives and the most gentle with our bodies. This hair toner helps fight stress and favors hair growth, besides preventing hair loss and pigmenting white hair, being a great alternative for hair dyes. Enjoying the video? Then give it a like and share it with your friends. You can also contribute to the channel through the thanks button. Don't forget to subscribe to be notified of any new videos. Let's see how to make it. 2 tablespoons green tea, 4 bay leaves, 1 tablespoon instant coffee, any brand, 1 tablespoon extra virgin olive oil or coconut oil, 5 ounces water. Directions and how to use. The first step is to prepare an infusion with green tea and bay leaves. Put the green tea and bay leaves in a pot with the water. Close with a lid and take to high heat. Once it starts simmering, reduce to low heat and let it boil for 10 minutes. Wait until cold, then strain. Pour the liquid into a glass container. Add the instant coffee and olive oil and mix thoroughly. After that, apply the tincture on your hair and gently massage your hair follicles. Put on a shower cap and let it act for 30 minutes. Then wash your hair as usual with shampoo and rinse it. Use this hair mask twice a week to get the desired results. If you want, you can use it on your eyebrows. Use a brush or your fingertips to apply it precisely. Super easy and cheap, isn't it? If you watched our videos about the benefits of coconut oil and coffee shampoo, then you know how good it will be to treat your white hair with this natural hair toner. Try it and share your experience with us. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.